welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn how to customize emails of Germanized for WooCommerce. So first, let's understand what Germanized for WooCommerce add-on does. So basically, with Germanized for WooCommerce, you do not have to spend your time on learning German legal terms in order to supply to your German customers. Germanized for WooCommerce helps you to easily align with German requirements, privacy, and policy terms. With this add-on, you have designed templates that include customer invoice and order details, trusted shop review reminder, order shipped, order returned, order return delivered, and more. What is more important is that you do not have to stick with the default designs of these templates, because with Yaymail Pro add-on, you are able to fully customize those templates. So let's not waste time and see the plugin in action. So right here we are in the backend of the WordPress testing website, and here we have activated the plugins. Let's go through it. So we have the Germanized for WooCommerce, and then we have of course WooCommerce, because this is running a WooCommerce store, and then we have Yaymail Premium add-on for Germanized, and we have Yaymail Pro, with which we are going to customize the emails. So let's cut to the chase and start customizing. Let's go to WooCommerce settings, and in the settings tab here we have the email tab. So let's go to emails right here, and once we scroll down we can see all the Germanized templates right here. I have already mentioned those, so let's choose one of them and start customizing. Let's go with the SEPA direct debit mandate and click on customize with Yaymail, and we are in the email builder settings. So this is a very out-of-box plugin. It has drag and drop customization, and let's quickly see how we can customize with all the elements and have a look at Germanized templates. So first, let's change this image to Yaymail. So let's click on change image, and here we have our logo. And you can make the logo larger or smaller. Let's go with this. And after that, let's choose a banner. So let's go back, and in the blogs, we have a single banner. So let's go with this. So once we insert the single banner, here we have to change the background. So let's see how it works. Here we have another background right here. Let's use this banner. And then we can also customize the text. So in order to customize the text, here we have this editor. So let's just delete all this information, and I'm gonna just paste it so that it is like quicker, but you can see that here you can make a very detailed customization. You can change the font color, the formatting, the font size, and all of it. And here we also have a button. Let's also customize that. So you can select a button color. Let's select something that is close to our logo right here, and then let's change it to join group. So right, so here as you can see our banner is ready, and you can again I have mentioned you can make a very detailed customization. All right, so I think this looks great, and now let's add a heading. So here we can see that we already have the email heading. Let's change this to thank you for your order. Again, simply need to change the text, and let's make the alignment to center, and also let's change the color to match the background somehow. So I think this looks pretty close, and let's also change the text color to make it more okay. As you can see, we changed the text color as well, and let's make it like boldify it. Okay, amazing. Now it looks great, and let's add now a text to this. Find the text block right here and insert this right here, and again let's customize this. Let's change this. So we changed the text to Dear John, thank you for your order. Here are your order details. Let's go with this just like this, And once we fill in the information, you can customize this to your needs, however you want the message to look like. Here we have to add one of our Germanized blocks. So let's go to WooCommerce, and in WooCommerce you can see all the Germanized templates. So we have Germanized document PDF, Germanized cancel invoice, and then we have shipment, goes to, shipment details. Let's choose this Germanized document PDF, which includes the order details right here. So it includes the order quantity and stuff. And again, you can change all these. You can change the text color, the background color. Let's, for example, set this to like bluish color. Right here you can completely customize this template as well. And once you customize this, at the end, so we have the block fall under. Let's just drag and drop this. As I have mentioned, just a drag and drop, very quick and easy. So here you can see I dragged and dropped the text before the details document, and at the end you can see that we have the Germanized template, which includes all the legal terms that the template has, so you do not have to do any type of customization to these or to legal terms, because it all includes. So once you are done, you just simply need to click on preview, and here we can see our email right here. And if you like what you see, you just simply need to click on save and you are good to go. So this was it for our today's tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. Also, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe and hit your notification bell. See you in the next tutorial.